Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another part showcase. Today we're going to be talking about sealing your roof and making sure that you keep your warranty on your roof viable. According to the manufacturers, you need to seal your roof twice a year in order for your roof warranty to be in place. We suggest that's late fall, coming out of winter, going into winter, and then late spring coming out of winter. So you want to seal it right before winter to make sure you're protected. Then after winter, with that freezing and thawing, especially if you're in a northern climate, you want to make sure you seal it again so you're good to go for the summers, those summer rains, things like that. Today, this is a product that we're really suggesting. It's a rubber roof coating. It's white. You can get other colors, but the really cool thing about this one is you just brush it on. Where do you brush it on? Do you need to do the whole roof? No. You only need to do the parts of the roof that the factory already has sealant on. So you don't need to make time to cover the whole entire thing. That's a waste of money, waste of product. All you need to do is seal the parts that the factory's already sealed. Where can you get this at? Any RV store? You can find it sometimes in the home improvement stores as well. If you want to make sure you're getting the right thing though, call us at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com. Please make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page for more videos like this one.